everyone. Tonight we're going to be going meatless and we'll be having black bean taco salad. What all goes into the black bean taco salad? 4 cups romaine lettuce, 1 bell pepper chopped, 1 15-ounce can black beans rinsed and drained, 1 15-ounce can corn drained, 1/2 cup tomatoes diced, 1/3 cup green onion chopped, 1/2 cup cheddar cheese grated, 1/3 cup tortilla chips crushed, and for the dressing, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup salsa, and if it's thick and chunky, you can puree it in the food processor. I think I'm just going to leave it chunky. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, the juice of 1/2 of a lime, salt to taste. So let's begin. So take a bowl, we want to mix the ingredients for the dressing. Take your 1/2 cup of sour cream, put it in the bowl. My dressing may be a little bit thicker because of my thick and chunky salsa, but I still think I want that just to give it a little bit more flavor. And your 1/4 cup of salsa, put that in the bowl. Your 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, your juice of 1/2 lime, and salt to taste. And thoroughly mix that. It already smells like taco and there's no taco meat in here. And that's the cumin. And set that aside. So put in 4 cups of the romaine lettuce. You want dry ingredients and not liquid ingredients. This is 4 cups of that. I'm going to just dump in the rest. I'm going to dump in the rest of the 10-ounce package. Then add your 1 chopped up bell pepper, your 1 can of black beans that was drained, your 1 can of whole kernel corn that was drained, your 1/2 cup of tomatoes that was chopped, the 1/3 cup of green onions that was chopped, the 1/2 cup of the cheddar cheese, and the 1/3 cup crushed tortilla chips. And I'm going to give that a mix. And I do like salads that have less lettuce and more of the goodies. If you want, this is a lot of goodies in there. If you want, you can add more lettuce. I may add a little bit more. Let me add just a little bit. Compared to the other ingredients, I didn't think 1 bag was going to be enough, but I don't want to add a whole lot more. Okay, that should be good. Give that a stir, get that mixed up with the rest of the stuff. This looks really, really good. I may add more cheese because 1/2 cup of cheese is really not enough. And that's just it. You can make it your own. I'm following a recipe, but you can feel free to add or omit anything that you want. If you don't want this meatless, you can probably add some taco meat. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese, just because I like a lot of cheese. Then add your dressing that you made and set aside. And like I said, if you don't like the chunky, either get non-chunky, but if you have chunky, you can puree it and make it smooth. But I think it's going to give it a little bit more depth and texture. But that's just my opinion. Okay, and then stir that up. Dave's not a big salad fan as a meal. I mean, he don't mind side salads and stuff like that. But for a meal, he's not a big fan of that. To go with it, just to give him something a little bit more to eat, I'm going to make some crescent rolls to go with it. All right, so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill. And when the crescent rolls are done and Dave's home, we'll get him to do a taste test. So here is the black bean taco salad. And rounding out the meal is sweet Hawaiian crescent rolls. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks like some kind of a salad.
What's your first clue, the lettuce?
Mm-hmm.
It's black bean taco salad.
Kind of has a taco flavor to it.
Yeah, with no taco meat.
That would have been good too. It's good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.